Hey everyone, it's Pete with Drainage Technology Solutions, distributor for hydroblocks. This is a backyard in California, and I want to show you what one drainage system using hydroblocks is looking like. There's a huge valley here that brings down massive amounts of water. This hillside brings down lots of water. So what we've done is we've done basically 3 lines of defense. We have this back trench capturing water here. We have another trench in the middle of the yard, and then we have another trench for a French drain. Well, I don't even want to call it a French drain, for drainage right by the house. That's going in this direction. Then we've got on the back side here that takes the water from the valley, and that's really where the majority of the water comes from compared to this. This is still a lot of water, but that's the big culprit. I've got 90 feet, you can see where it starts, 90 feet of hydroblocks on that hillside, and then I've got another line of hydroblocks alongside that side of the house. This perimeter drainage goes all the way around the back side of the property, the side of the property, to the side of the house, and then out to the street. Now, let me put this in perspective. I did this, I actually had the help of a buddy, but basically I trenched out 350 feet by myself with the occasional help of a friend with a trencher, a rented trencher in one day. No gravels required with hydroblocks. If I were to do traditional drainage, i.e. traditional with meaning a French drain using gravel and pipe, let's say this was a 2-foot deep trench. If it was 6 inches wide, that would be 16.25 yards. If it was an 8-inch wide trench, 2 feet deep, it would be 22 yards. All right, now let me put that in perspective. A dump truck only holds 10 yards of gravel. So what that means is if I would have done this drainage system the traditional way, using the French drain method with gravel, pipe wrapped in filter fabric, I would have had 2 dump trucks of gravel dumped onto the street in front of my house, and we would have had a heck of a lot of wheelbarrow action going. And the cost of the gravel, at least out here in California without a discount, is about $1,500. Contractors get a 5% discount. So the gravel isn't that expensive, it's just the labor and the hassle associated with gravel. Now with hydroblocks, all we have to do is dig this trench, that 90-foot trench along the back side, because it was on a slope. We dug that by hand. This 350 was dug using a rented trencher. And you know, the rented trencher, we dug that in a day. I have some pipes that you can see that I have to fix, but if I didn't have the pipes to fix, we could have laid all the hydroblocks in here and had the whole thing done 350 feet in a day. You can't do that doing the traditional French drain method. So for you contractors out there, you'll put more profit in your pocket because you'll be able to complete jobs lots faster with lots less labor. And everybody knows it's hard to get good labor these days. So, and for the homeowner, you know, I did this all basically myself. So this is DIY doable. You can do drainage around your home by yourself using hydroblocks. And that's it for now.